History and shipping. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping at LITBLINDS store on YouTube channel. Innovative style for vertical blinds and roller blinds. Roller blinds offer a versatile and stylish window treatment solution for any space, blending functionality with aesthetics seamlessly. Their sleek and minimalist design makes them suitable for various interior styles, from modern and contemporary to traditional and eclectic. Additionally, roller blinds are incredibly easy to operate, with options for manual control or motorization for added convenience. Their simple yet effective mechanism ensures smooth and quiet operation, enhancing the overall comfort of your living or working environment. Whether you're looking to control light, maintain privacy, or enhance the visual appeal of your space, roller blinds offer a practical and elegant solution that can elevate any room's design aesthetic. Roller blinds are not only versatile and stylish but also offer a range of practical benefits that make them an excellent choice for any space. Their customizable nature allows for precise light control, enabling you to adjust the level of illumination in a room to suit your preferences or needs throughout the day. Whether you're seeking to create a bright and airy atmosphere or a cozy and intimate setting, roller blinds can help you achieve the desired ambience with ease. Additionally, their ability to block out sunlight effectively can help regulate the temperature indoors, reducing glare and preventing UV damage to furniture and flooring. Moreover, roller blinds are incredibly durable and low maintenance, requiring minimal upkeep to keep them looking their best for years to come. Their sturdy construction and high-quality materials ensure longevity and reliability, making them a practical and cost-effective investment for any home or commercial space. Whether you're outfitting a single window or covering an entire building facade, roller blinds offer a versatile and efficient solution that combines functionality with style seamlessly. In addition to their practical benefits, roller blinds offer a streamlined and unobtrusive design that enhances the overall aesthetics of any space. Their clean lines and minimalistic appearance make them a versatile choice for both modern and traditional interiors, effortlessly blending in with existing decor while adding a touch of sophistication. Available in a wide range of fabrics, colors, and patterns, roller blinds provide endless design possibilities, allowing you to customize them to match your personal style and preferences. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant hues to make a statement or subtle neutrals to create a calming atmosphere, there's a roller blind option to suit every taste. Furthermore, roller blinds can be tailored to fit windows of all shapes and sizes, including large expanses such as floor-to-ceiling glass panels or awkwardly shaped windows. This versatility makes them suitable for use in any room of the house, from bedrooms and living rooms to kitchens and bathrooms, as well as in commercial settings such as offices, restaurants, and retail spaces. With their combination of style, functionality, and durability, roller blinds offer a timeless window treatment solution that can enhance the beauty and comfort of any interior environment. Roller blinds offer not only practical benefits and aesthetic appeal but also provide enhanced privacy and security for your space. When fully closed, roller blinds create a barrier that shields the interior from prying eyes, ensuring your privacy is maintained without sacrificing natural light. This feature is particularly beneficial for homes located in busy urban areas or commercial spaces where confidentiality is paramount. Additionally, roller blinds can be equipped with blackout fabrics or specialized coatings that effectively block out light, making them an ideal choice for bedrooms, home theaters, or any environment where total darkness is desired. This ability to control light and privacy makes roller blinds a versatile and functional solution for a wide range of applications. Furthermore, roller blinds are easy to install and operate, with options for manual control or motorization for added convenience. Vertical blinds offer a practical and versatile window treatment solution that is both stylish and functional. Their vertical slats provide excellent light control, allowing you to adjust the amount of sunlight entering a room with ease. This feature makes vertical blinds ideal for spaces where varying light levels are desired throughout the day, such as offices, living rooms, or dining areas. Additionally, vertical blinds are perfect for covering large windows or sliding glass doors, as their vertical orientation allows for smooth operation and easy access to the door or window when needed. One of the key benefits of vertical blinds is their ability to enhance privacy while still allowing for natural light to filter through. By simply adjusting the angle of the slats, you can maintain your privacy without completely blocking out the outside world. This makes vertical blinds a popular choice for bedrooms, bathrooms, and other areas where privacy is important. Vertical blinds come in a variety of materials, including fabric, vinyl, and aluminum, giving you the flexibility to choose the option that best suits your needs and style preferences. From sleek and modern to classic and traditional, there's a vertical blind designed to complement any decor scheme. Additionally, vertical blinds are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for busy households or commercial spaces. With their combination of functionality, style, and durability, vertical blinds are a versatile window treatment option that can enhance the beauty and functionality of any space. Whether you're looking to control light, maintain privacy, or simply add a touch of elegance to your home or office, vertical blinds offer a practical and stylish solution that you're sure to love. Vertical blinds offer a range of advantages beyond their practicality and style. One notable benefit is their ability to help regulate room temperature and energy efficiency. By effectively blocking sunlight when closed, vertical blinds can reduce heat gain during hot summer months, helping to keep indoor spaces cooler and more comfortable. Conversely, during colder seasons, they can help prevent heat loss by providing an additional layer of insulation against cold drafts. Another advantage of vertical blinds is their versatility in controlling glare and maintaining optimal lighting conditions for tasks such as reading, working on computers, or watching television. The adjustable slats allow you to direct sunlight away from reflective surfaces, minimizing glare and eye strain while still allowing for ample natural light to brighten the room. Vertical blinds are also an excellent choice for spaces with high humidity levels, such as kitchens and bathrooms, as they are resistant to moisture and easy to clean. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in challenging environments where traditional window treatments may deteriorate over time. Overall, vertical blinds are a versatile, practical, and stylish window treatment solution that provides numerous benefits for both residential and commercial environments. With their ability to control light, maintain privacy, regulate temperature, and withstand moisture, vertical blinds offer a comprehensive solution for enhancing comfort and functionality in any room. Vertical blinds are also renowned for their ease of operation and maintenance, adding convenience to their list of benefits. With various control options available, including wand, cord, or motorized mechanisms, adjusting the position of the blinds is effortless and can be tailored to individual preferences. This makes them accessible for all users, including those with mobility challenges. Maintenance of vertical blinds is straightforward, requiring only occasional dusting or vacuuming to keep them looking fresh and clean. Many materials used in vertical blinds are also resistant to stains and fading, ensuring that they maintain their appearance over time with minimal effort. Additionally, vertical blinds offer a solution for
blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please share, like and comment.